there, everybody, and welcome back once again to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli, and I have a little illustrative diagram here, and this is really very simple to grasp, and I'm going to share with you what you need and how to make money online. What you need essentially is a sales funnel. This happens to be the 3-step sales funnel that has been proven to work and deliver results and success for marketers out there, okay? This is where success originates. This is exactly what you need to have in place in order to be successful and start to generate a consistent income online, okay? This is what it takes. It takes a sales funnel because a sales funnel is part of a system, an overall system, and systems are what sell. It begins with a capture page, a simple, high converting capture page with an opt-in form that you can collect emails and be building your email list all day, every day. Now, in between the capture page and the sales page, it is highly recommended that you implement a bridge page, which ultimately serves as the buffer between this capture page and the sales page. And it is relevant and it's essential and vital to have if you want to do something that's very important, which I urge you and encourage you to do. Okay, because it will definitely enhance and increase your conversions, which essentially are your bottom line profits. Because this powerful page is out there working for you, building that all important know, like, and trust. It's highly effective at warming up cold leads that come through your capture page for the very first time, because this is where that warm-up process begins. Know, like, and trust, okay? You can add an image, a still image of yourself, introduce yourself, tell your story, your intro, and then follow through with benefits and highlights of your product or service. Or you can have a video of yourself where you want to be branding yourself. Okay, you also in the process want to be building your own brand. That's very, very important, and you want to differentiate yourself so you can stand out. So essentially, know, like, and trust contained within this bridge page. And then ultimately, once they go through this, they're automatically redirected to the sales page, the VSL. You want a good high converting VSL, video sales letter, because what that's going to do, it's going to work for you 24/7, 365. That video is going to be doing your telling, selling, and explaining so you don't have to. This way, whether you have a prospect coming through your capture page at 2 p.m. in the afternoon or 2 a.m. in the morning when you're sleeping, this is going to be automating the process, okay? Automations are going to kick in, and they're going to be doing what they do best. Tell, sell, and explain so you don't have to. This way, when you're sleeping and somebody wants information, they want to learn more about your opportunity, your product, your service, this is going to be working. It's going to be doing all the presenting for you so you don't have to be present and you don't have to do that. So what you're going to be doing is building your email list. That's your number one asset. The money is in the list. However, the fortune is in the follow-up. So when somebody comes through the capture page and willingly types in their email address, they're going to start receiving your email follow-up series. And this is the journey that you're going to be taking your leads through. Okay, they'll come through this. They will get a series of email follow-ups. That's where they're going to get the information that they're seeking. And what you want to do is convey that you have the solution to their problem, okay? And that's ultimately why people are going to buy what you have to offer when they realize that there are great benefits and that you have a powerful, compelling solution to solve their problem. They will be willing to take out their credit card and make a purchase, and you will gain a new customer and you will receive a commission directly deposited into your bank account. And that is the flow of a successful 3-step sales funnel. So essentially it begins here. This is the beginning. And then they're redirected here. Ultimately they land up here. But in the process, follow-up emails are going out and you are building your list, your number one asset. they enter their email, they start to come on your list as a new subscriber, and they start to receive a series of follow-up emails over time. And when they are ready to purchase, they will do that. Okay? Build that know, like, and trust, brand yourself, and be willing to provide value that you have what they need, a solution to a problem. And you just convey that in your content, in your marketing materials, in your email follow-ups, and you will be able to go on and have great things happening for you. Ultimately, you will be able to achieve your goals, and not only achieve your goals, but exceed your goals over time, folks. And just know that people do not purchase the first time they come through your system. That's why this is so relevant and vital, that you have a follow-up email series continuously going out on a regular, ongoing basis, so that when the person is ready to purchase, after they have gone through the journey, after you have established your know, like, and trust, once they go through this and realize and grasp and understand exactly how what you have can serve them and serve them well and solve their problem, they will be finding out this information through this series, and when they're ready, they'll purchase. So essentially, folks, this is an illustrative diagram of what you need to make money online. You need a marketing system. You need to be building your email list. You need to have an autoresponder, and you need to be continuously driving traffic right here. Okay? You need to be advertising. You need to have enough of website traffic, real human eyeballs, always looking at your offer, because you want to be in the state of lead abundance and not lead poverty. Okay? Because all marketing is a numbers game. You need good, high quality traffic. And with this very marketing system, we're going to teach you and show you exactly how to go out there and acquire good, high quality traffic through resources and strategies that have been tested and proven to work, so you'll be able to utilize them and select the ones that are going to be best for you. We're going to provide you with a multitude of different resources and strategies, free, low cost, paid, and paid. Okay? So with that being said, folks, the link to my website is below, so you can find out how you can take this 3-step funnel, apply it and implement it, so that you can start to build your email list and convert a percentage of your subscribers into paid signups, so that you can start building a business and start getting paid. Okay? Just go to my link below in the description. My contact details will be there, and I look forward to working with you, meeting you, and helping you to get started very soon. But it all begins here, folks. So just go here, enter your email, come through. You'll get to see the anatomy of a successful sales funnel live in the moment. You'll be redirected to my bridge page, and then you will be going to my sales presentation, where you will have the opportunity, you'll be afforded the opportunity to watch a very powerful, high converting 7-minute video. And that's going to do all the telling, selling, and explaining. So even if I'm not there, folks, you will get to learn how this very complete and comprehensive marketing system has the potential to change your life in 2025 and beyond. And then keep a watchful eye for my email follow-ups. You'll be receiving them on a regular, consistent, ongoing basis. So that will explain everything to you, and I look forward to helping you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.